February, love is in the air, and you know exactly where I'm heading to. What's your plan for this Valentine's Day? I'm guessing it's candlelight enough for two. Let me help you set this up for the 2020 trends. So as said, for the Tablescape, the base we're going to have a runner. So the runner has to be metallic as we are following the 2020 trends. So maybe an off-white with a subtle golden print would look nice. Coming next is where we place the table mats. The table mats, you can go for a complementary one, like for a navy blue, which can go in again contrast with the table runner. If you don't like a lot of metallics or don't like a lot of blinks, what you could do is add like a plain navy blue table mat. So which will actually settle down the entire thing. So the next is the candle stands. Since it's a candlelight dinner and it is February and it's Valentine's Day, let's make it a little more romantic by adding few candles. So the candle stands, what I've chosen is glass with a metallic print, again to go with the trends and also to balance out whatever is on the table. The reason why we have different heights is because to balance out the forms. So the next is, here we got some stands for the cupcakes. So I've chosen the glass, again to complement each other, and you can also place any kind of food, like for example if you have a pasta or a cake, try to choose something in glass so that it goes along with the theme. So here we got cupcakes. Now coming to the flower vase. So it is Valentine's Day, and let's not do the cliche of like having the red roses. Instead we can have like a pale rose. Mix in some pastels with metallics, it looks fab. So this is one thing that you can think of. Place it in a way that when you're sitting opposite to each other, like let's not build that wall, settle it down in the middle, and maybe you can play with the heights at the ends. Adding to it, we have the plates. So let's go subtle with the plates. Maybe a rim of metallic gold or silver will also look nice. Subtle white prints. If you want to complement the flowers, you can also have this in pink. So that's one thing. And to add to the rest of the thing, we can have like a wine bottle and the wine glasses, maybe a rose, and then if you've got some gifts for your partner, yes, you can have it on the table. So that's the whole setup. Hope you got the entire view of it. So we're playing with metallics, pastel colors, and then what goes against the pastel, like navy blue, or it can be a different color. So yeah, that's all about it. I hope you enjoyed the entire setup. Hope you have a very special Valentine's Day. Share the love, like, share and subscribe.